My name's Stephen Power. I'm the Executive Chairman of Antipa Minerals Limited. Our major assets are in the Paterson Province, which is about 300 kilometres due east of Port Hedland, in the Great Sandy Desert, which is just near the Telfer mine, which I think a lot of your viewers would know about. It's a major sort of world-class gold mine. It's been going for 40 years in the Telfer region. We've been listed since 2011. The major things we've done is increase our tenement holding to 5,500 square kilometres, so we've got a very large footprint. We also attracted, through our discovery of calibre and 380 metre intersections of mineralisations, we attracted Rio Tinto, and we entered into a farm-in and joint venture agreement with Rio Tinto in 2015 for a total $60 million Australian farm-in, whereby they can earn up to 75% interest in 1,300 square kilometres of our ground holding, which still leaves us with 4,200 square kilometres of our own 100% owned ground. We've also come up with, in the joint venture area, 1.6 million ounces of gold in JORC resources, and in our 100% area we have approximately 750,000 ounces of gold plus copper and cobalt, which is only 40 kilometres from the Telfer mine. There's myself and Roger Mason, our Managing Director. We all come out of or are related to a company called Lion Ore Mining International. That company, when I started advising them, I was an outside legal advisor. That company had a market cap of a couple of $100 million. It was subsequently taken over by Norilsk a few years ago at a takeover price of $6 billion. Now, we all came out of that. We're used to handling very large projects. We looked around and we looked for a project that was capable of delivering world-class discoveries, and we found it in the Paterson Province. Rio's recent discovery of the Winu discovery, which is just 5 kilometres away from our joint venture area, has backed that up and proven it. Also Calibre, which we discovered, and the other operating mines in the province prove that that area is capable of delivering those sorts of discoveries. The key messages, I think, for us are that we are operating in a very underexplored province. The reason that it's underexplored is because it's covered with desert sands and other sort of cover to the rocks of interest, which can vary in between 5 to 10 metres in Minyari, which is our existing resource, 100% owned resource, up to 80 metres in our Calibre discovery. The Winu discovery is between 50 and 100 metres of cover, but our area is really like sits on a tabletop. All of the other tenements in the province really are under 500 metres to 2 kilometres of cover, which means that our exploration is cheaper, and when we discover something and put it into production, that also will be cheaper. This 121 conference has been fantastic. It essentially puts us in one-on-one contact with a very high class of investor, both institutions, brokers and others, with very minimal wasted opportunities, and our order book has been, or dance card has been full, so we really have, I think, made significant strides through this conference, and we look forward to participating in other 121 conferences in the future.